Introduction. Are you happy with your life right now? Do you have everything that you really want? Your habits define you as a person, and they are responsible for all the things that you have and do not have in your life right now. You may not realize this, but it is true. With this powerful training, you will be able to break those bad habits which are not supporting the life that you want and form new habits that will empower you to make a positive change. It is not going to be an easy journey, as breaking habits you have had for a long time is going to be tough. Forming new habits is challenging as well. But you must examine your habits and make the necessary changes if you want to truly succeed. To help you do this, we recommend that you create a strong reason or why you want to change your habits. Write this down and refer to it if your motivation drops. We will explain in this training how habits work and how they are formed. It is essential that you understand this to make the changes that you desire. We will explain the 3 R's neurological loop and the time that it takes to make changes to habits. There is also a section on habit formation phases which you must read. Even when your new habit is automatic and you have successfully navigated all of the formation phases, there will still be a chance that you could break a new good habit. So we have provided some proven ways for you to reinforce new habits that are simple and effective. Getting rid of your bad habits will totally liberate you. It is a great feeling to change something that has been holding you back for a long time. Forming new, empowering habits will also be a great experience for you and will make you feel confident about the future. We suggest that you treat the breaking of your bad habits and the formation of your new good habits as an exciting journey. There will be a mixture of highs and lows throughout your journey, and you need to know how to handle the low points. This is all covered in the training, so let's get started.